love yourself? How do you accept yourself when you have all these negative people around you, all these negative sources around you, negativity just everywhere, and your family putting you down, and friends putting you down, and you thinking in your head, well, maybe they're right, maybe I'm not cut out for this, maybe it is not for me, right? So you don't never want to actually take what a family member or somebody says to you to heart, because they're not experienced in what you're experiencing. They haven't seen the things that you've seen. They're not open-minded to it. They've never experienced it. They're stuck in their ways. They don't know any other way. They're conditioned to be the way that they are. So when you're conditioned to be the way that you are, you never see outside sources. You never get to experience stuff. You never get to have the experience. So they're missing out on the experience that you're having, and they don't even realize it. When a friend or family member brings up the business, ask how it's doing, you simply say, well, the business is good. How's things with you? The business is good. It's great. How's things with you? Pretty much, you might have family that'll put you down. You could be like, well, I respect your opinion and beliefs, but I have my own beliefs. I have my own beliefs, my own views on things that I want. So that's pretty much what you gotta say to them. And you could be like, I respect your views and beliefs, but I have my own views and beliefs, and I know that you're trying to protect me, and I appreciate that. But that's for me to work out within myself and my business. So I appreciate your concern, but how's everything with you? And that's pretty much what you got to say to them. You can't really have an argument with them. You want to show them love, because their ignorance is letting them and holding them in a place to where they haven't seen the things that you've been able to experience. They haven't seen, and they'll never understand it. They'll never understand why you're doing what you're doing, right? They'll never get it, because it's not for them to understand. It's for you to understand, because it's your dreams, your goals, your inspirations that are going to get you to the next level, because that's what really motivates you. You want to change your life situation. People who are complacent in their life situation, they're not trying to change their life situation. They're not trying to change anything. It just stays the way it is. You're trying to change your life, and that's what's important about you. So you want to always love yourself and accept yourself for you. You want to know what you're doing is right in your heart, knowing that you're trying to make more of yourself, knowing that you're trying to move ahead, knowing that you're going to be successful in whatever you do, as long as you learn the skills to be able to do it. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Make sure you love the video. Make sure you share it with others so that they could see it. And make sure you click on that link below to find out my #1 sources to making money online. So you'll love that. It's in the link below. Make sure you click it. And I appreciate you, and I'll talk to you soon.